Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. So let us start the new lesson of class 5 and that is 4 operations. Yes, in mathematics there are 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So this is the symbol of addition, this is the symbol of subtraction, this is the symbol of multiplication and this is the symbol of division. Yes, these are 4 important basic operations in mathematics. If you know this, then only you can solve so many examples in mathematics. Okay, so here in today's class we are going to discuss about only addition. What? Addition. So in today's class we are going to discuss only about addition. Yes, see here already you know 2-digit addition, 3-digit addition, 4-digit addition. Already you know, you are learning 7 and 8-digit numbers. So in this class you are going to learn how to add the 7 and 8-digit numbers. In previous class you learned the place value chart, Indian system of numeration, international system of numeration. If you know the place value chart, then you can solve these examples easily. So here let us take one example. Yes, add 1 crore 36 lakh 54,412 plus 1 crore 22 lakh 33,896. Yes, how you added the ones place means 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, the same procedure you have to follow, but here digits are more. Okay, so here let us write the place value chart: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So read the question: 1 crore 36 lakh 54,412 is there. So start with ones place: 2, 1, 4, 4, 5, 6, 3, 1. Yes, next again you put here plus sign. Here again you start with ones place, add here 6, 9, 8, 3, 3, 3, 3. Next what is there? 2, 2, 1. Yes, how you added 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit? No, the same procedure you have to follow, but here digits are more. And one thing I will clear you: writing place value chart is important because you will not get a confusion. And one more thing I will clear you: while writing the digits, here you leave the place in between the numbers, you leave the place little bit. Don't write 1 crore 36 lakh 54,412, 1 crore 22 lakh 33,896. So this type if you are writing means you may get a wrong answer. So instead of writing like this, it's better to write like this. See here in between the numbers I left little bit place. Okay, so it's easy to add the numbers. Okay, so this is the addition of what? 6-digit numbers. Is it 6-digit number? Count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8-digit number. First you write place value chart. First you take this addend, next take this addend. The properties of addition I will teach you in the next class. Okay, so here 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 1 plus 9 is 10. First you add the ones column, next you add the tens column. While you are adding, you start with ones place. Don't take this crore place. This is a wrong method. When you are adding, you start with the ones place. So 2 plus 6 is here 8. Next you take here tens place is there. 1 plus 9 is 10. So take here, keep carry 1 and write here 0. Some students are writing carry here, so that is also no issues, that is also correct. So here I added ones place, next you add tens place, next add the hundreds column. So see here what is there, 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. So write here 3 and keep this carry in thousand place. If you get carry in 100 place, keep in thousand place. If 1000 place is there means you keep in 10,000 place. Next add here, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Next 5 plus 3 is 8, 6 plus 2 is 8, 3 plus 2 is 5. Next you add here crore place, that is 1 plus 1 is 2. Once again I will clear you. When you are adding, you start with the ones place, add this ones column, 2 plus 6 is 8. Next tens place is there, add this tens place, 1 plus 9 is 10. So I get here carry, so keep that carry in 100 place, add this 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. Again you keep this carry in 1000 place. Now you add this 1000 place, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Next you take this 10,000 place, 5 plus 3 is 8. Again you add this lakh place, 6 plus 2 is 8. Add 10 lakh place, 3 plus 2 is 5. Add crore place, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 crore vs 58 lakh 88,308 will be the answer. And these examples are there in Indian system, because how you come to know? See here the commas are there in Indian system of numeration. Already you know how to put the commas. In Indian system we are putting the columns after commas after the 3 digit, 2 digit and 2 digit. So this will be the answer. Here some questions are there from my practice time 1. Add the following. See here, I am solving the examples from your page number 93, my practice time 1, first main and second main. Add the following, add it, and next there fill in the blanks, and here find the missing digits are there, no, that I will teach you in the next class. In next class I will discuss the properties of addition also. So just you see how to add the large numbers. Yes, here next I will take one example from your my practice time 1. Yes, from my practice time 1, and that is first main. Add the following: 6 crore 602,37141 plus 297,10353. Yes, so here I will add this number. See, just see ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now also I have to write here till crore place values. So write here ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So arrange this number 1, 4, 1, 7, 3, 2, 0, 6. Again you add this. Here take this 3, 5, 3, 0, 1. Yes, here 3, 5, 3, 0, 1, 7, 9. Next 2. Add this number. Yes, first to add ones place. 1 plus 3 is 4. Next to add here tens place, 4 plus 5 is 9. Again you add here this 100 column, 1 plus 3 is 4, 1000 column, 7 plus 0 is 7, 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 7 is 9, 0 plus 9 is 9, 6 plus 2 is 8, and while adding you leave in between the number little bit place. It's better, you will get a correct answer. Okay, so this is the first question. Next I will take one more example from your my practice time 1. So let us take that example. Yes, that is 87116,281 plus 6315211 Yes, I am solving these examples from your My Practice Time 1, page number 93. So see here how many digits are there. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So again you write place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Yes, write the digits. 1, 8, 2, 6, 1, 1, 7, 8. Again you take this number, write here in this ones place. 1, 1, 2, 5, 1, 3, 6. Here for that you have to write the place value chart. Here crore place is there and here up to what 10 lakh place values are there. So here there is no digit in crore place. You put there 0. If you are leaving empty, that is also correct. So add these numbers. 1 plus 1 is 2, 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 plus 2 is 4, 6 plus 5 is 11, 1, 2, 3. Again you add lakh place. 1 plus 3 is 4, 7 plus 6 is 13 and 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is the way you are adding the numbers, and this we are calling first addend and this we are calling second addend, and whatever you get answer no, for that we are calling sum. This is sum of these two numbers. Yes, next here one more concept will come, that is add. Yes, you can add not only two numbers, you can add so many numbers, 2 to 3 numbers. So the properties of additions are there, no, that I will teach you in the next class. Here one more is there from your My Practice Time 1, that is second main. Yes, that is second main. First question I am solving here, and that is I will take here 7, 8, 7, 6, 8, 5, 9, 9 plus 1, 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. Yes. Write this again, place value chart. Just see how many place values are there. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So I will write up to here place value crore. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So what is there right here? 9, 9, 5, 8, 6, 7, 8, 7. Again you add this number. See here only 4 digits are there. 1, 0, 1, 1. Again take that digits. 2, 0, 1, 0, 0. Again 0, 0, 1. See here. 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, that 2, 0, and here I wrote 1. See here there is no digits in 10 lakh, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore place. So here put here 0. Now you add the number. See here what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit, but here 4 digits are there. Arrangement of numbers is very very important. Okay, so here 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. Add this ones place, next you add this tens place. 9 plus 0 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. Again 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 9, 6 plus 0 is 6, 7 plus 0 is 7, 8 plus 0 is 8, 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8 crore 87 lakh 69,802 will be the answer. See here in your textbook how many 4 examples are there. Among them I have solved here already one example, and let us take one more example from your My Practice Time 1. So I will take here D1, and that is 7 lakh 96,000, 7 crore 96,000, 96 lakh 54,328 plus 582 plus 6,365. 2. So see here, so let us arrange these numbers. Again count place values ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Again you have to write here up to crore place. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, so arrange this number 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 7. Add here, this only 582 is there. 2, 8, 5. Again you write this number 2, 6, 3, 6. Here only up to 100 place. This is there only up to 1000 place. Add this number. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. And 2 plus 8 is again 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Yes, 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is 12. Here there is no digits. If to clear the confusion, it's better to put here zeros. Okay. Then 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 0 is 9. And 7 plus 0 is 7. So here 7 crore 96 lakh 61,272 will be the answer. Okay. So here from your my practice time 1, I have solved first main and second main. Next fill in the blanks and the properties of addition I will teach you in the next class. Solve all the examples neatly and send it to my personal number. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.